while you're all meeting, this is what we're going to do. Right before you take challah, it's a very propitious moment for prayer. So we're going to ask all of you to go around your table. We're going to have 60 seconds of silence for just your own personal prayer in a few minutes. But we ask you now, if you would like to share, to go around your table and just share what it is that you might be praying for that you're willing to share. Anything that you're going to be praying for that you're willing to share, if you can talk about it with the people at your table. And then we are going to have a 60 seconds of silence where you will be able to make your own personal, private prayer.